Hello everyone, today we're going to see static routing, and to do so we need routers. So just click on routers, and I'm using Cisco packet tracer for doing this static routing. So I'm going to take the router number 1941. You can take whatever router you want. I'm going to use two router. So let me take two router from here. Alright, I'm gonna need a switch. This is switch, and I'm gonna use this one. No, this one. I'm gonna use two switch here, and I'm gonna need some PC. I'm gonna use 4 PC, 2 PC in each switch. So okay, now we have taken all the components, but now we have to connect them. So we need wires. So go here, connections, and to connect PC with switches, we normally can use this one. Okay, just click here and click on the PC and select first Ethernet, and now click on the switch and select first Ethernet port 01. So now do that again and select first Ethernet port 2. Alright, don't worry about the port on switches. So I'm gonna do this in the same way. So now we are also going to use the same way to connect switches to the routers we have. Alright, I'm gonna select first Ethernet port, whatever you want to, just select it, and I'm gonna use gigabit Ethernet, or so if you use other routers you will find it Ethernet, so it doesn't matter really, just select that. And I'm going to do the same way. First Ethernet, and select gigabit Ethernet serial port. Sorry, gigabit Ethernet. And now to connect to routers, we're gonna use this way. Either you can use a serial wire, but then you have to create serial port in the routers. So I will show that in the next videos. So I'm gonna select gigabit Ethernet port 1 to here, Ethernet 01. Alright, so we have established a connection. So let me specify networks. There is 3 networks. First one is this is the network 1. Let's say this is the network 2, and this is the network 3. So let's assign IP addresses. So we'll provide for this network, let's say the IP address would be 192.168.1.0, and for this, alright, for this network, so let's say the network is 192.168.3.0. So for this network, so I'm gonna assign 192.168.2.0. So we have assigned a network, but most importantly we have to assign IP addresses to our PC. So do that. So, okay, let me label this first. We're gonna use this IP address is the network address is 1.0. So I'm gonna whatever you want. You can assign IP address from 1 to 225, that because it is a class C address. And okay, I'm gonna address 1.1 for this PC, and 1.2 for this PC. Alright, I'm gonna assign 192.168.2.1 for this PC, and I'm gonna assign 192.168.2.2 for this PC. So we have assigned IP addresses to PC, just label them, not assign them. So we also need some gateway, and gateway is something here is gateway. So we're gonna assign gateway to 1.3 or 4 or 5, whatever you want, and we assign gateway for these two devices. So we're gonna assign is 2.3. Alright, now this is the gateway and this is the network address. Okay, now let me assign IP addresses to PC. Alright, let's go to desktop, IP configuration, and press the IP address we have labeled. We're gonna use that IP addresses. Whenever you type in IP addresses, it will automatically generate subnet mask for you, and you just have to assign this default gateway and just close this. And in the same way, we're gonna do others. We're gonna assign IP addresses to other PC. So for this PC, we're gonna the IP address is 1.2 and the gateway is the same, 1.3. Alright, close this. For this network we have two PC, and click on the PC, go to desktop, IP configuration, and type the IP address you have selected for this one. I'm selected 192.168.2.1, and click here. It will automatically generate subnet mask and assign default gateway. In this case, the default gateway is 192.168.2.3, and just close it and click here. You're gonna do it in the same way. Close this, desktop, IP configuration, and the IP address for this PC is 2.2. Click here and define the default gateway. That is very important. Alright, 2.3. So let me check it again. Do it right or not. Alright, so now we have assigned IP addresses to our PC. Now we're gonna have to configure our routers. So firstly, this is my router 1. To configure router, we're gonna use CLI commands. So let's start and click on the router and click on CLI and click no, and click enter. And here we're ready to configure our routers. So first thing first, we're gonna have to write config terminal and press enter. So it is wrong here. So if you press CONF tab, so firstly we have to enable our routers. So type in enables or simply en and enter. So now type in config terminal and press enter. So we're into configuration mode. So So first of all, we're gonna assign IP addresses for this port, gigabit Ethernet 0.0 by 0. So we're gonna write interface just like gig and press tab, and it will show you gigabit Ethernet, and type in the serial number, port number 0/0. So press enter, and now we're into the port 0/0. How to configure its IP address? So write in IP address, and firstly you have to assign the IP address uh, IP address of the IP address of the default gateway, and my default gateway is 192.168.1.3, and now space, and you have to type in the subnet mask, and the subnet mask here is the default subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So press enter, and you have configured it. Now you have to exit this port, exit from here. So I have to write no shutdown, and type exit. Okay, we're already in configure mode. So to enter into port gigabit Ethernet 0/1, so just type in interface, or simply type enter and tab, and then write interface ter tab interface gig, so interface gig tab, and type in the serial number 0/1, and now assign IP addresses. So here my IP address is 192. So IP address, I haven't assigned IP address for this port, so let me do this. Let's say for this port, I'll assign IP address 3.1, as the network is 3.0. So, and alright, for this port, so I'm gonna assign 3.2. So it is up to you how you want to assign this. So it's wrong, man. Okay, so I'm gonna assign 3.2. So alright, for this port. So now we go back to that CLI commands. So here you can see for this 0/1 gigabit Ethernet port 0/1. So you're gonna use IP address 192.168.3.1, 168.3.1, and now space and type in the default gateway. So subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So okay, now press enter. So now we have already configured this router. So now you can simply write no shutdown exit. Alright, now close this, and we're going to this router and go to CLI commands and press no, and press enter, and type in en, press enter, and now you have to type in config terminal, and now type in interface gigabit Ethernet, and first we're gonna assign this 00 port, so we're gonna type in 00, and now IP addresses. So IP addresses is 192.168.2.3. This is the default gateway for this 2 PC. So 192.168.2.3. The subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So now press enter, and this is done, and type no shutdown and press exit. So we have done with this gigabit Ethernet 0x0 ports. Now we're gonna assign IP addresses for gigabit Ethernet 0x1 port. So I'm gonna type interface enter. Just type in enter and press tab, and it will bring you the interface. And type in gig and press tab, and it will show you that gigabit Ethernet. So type in the port number 0x1, and type in IP addresses, and IP address in here is 192.168.2. So here we assigned 192.168.3.2. So we're gonna type in there 3.2 and space and define the subnet mask. Subnet mask is very important in routing. So now press enter, and now again no shutdown, press exit. Okay, now we have you can see that all are connected, and you can see this green icons, which means you're connected, but we haven't defined a path yet. So to do so, we're gonna have to go to the router one again. So far we have configured these two router, so we have to establish a connection between them. To do so, we're gonna have to provide this network address to this router, and this network address to this router. So I'm inside this router in CLI commands, so I'm going to provide this IP address, network address to this router. To do so, just write IP route and the IP address of this network, which is 192.168.2.0, and space default subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and I'll type gigabit Ethernet and port number, which is this. And whenever we're sending a packet from here, it's gonna go through this output link, and we're gonna provide this port which is 10/1. So now type in enter, and it's done. Okay, you can minimize it or close it. Okay, on this router, and I'm gonna type in IP route, and the IP address for this network address for this network, which is 192.168.1.0, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and gigabit Ethernet, and this is the port, and by which this is the output link where whenever we're sending a packet from any of this PC, it's gonna go through this link in the internet. So we're gonna type in 0/1. You can see the number here. So just press enter, and it is done. Close it, and let's send some message. It goes or not. Click here, and the first attempt it might not show that. We're gonna keep trying. Do that multiple times. This shows failed because sometimes it takes time to configure. Oh, it shows successfully. Okay, they're starting to call a message. Oh, it's working. Now let's take a new and send the message again. Takes some time to configure, and it doesn't show successful instantly, but when you keep trying for multiple times, it's gonna definitely work. Okay, you can see that it's working, and that's how the static routing works. And thank you for watching. And the next videos we're gonna show OSPF, RIP, and many more. And goodbye.